My friend, thekile sokile irandi. My friend alibaziseke vorunika libazisi. Akelibazisi. Baqonye umntana udinga bagrand. Grand amasimba. Qimela selapha ecountereni. My friend ikala sokile irandi. Dathi hayi my friend, dide ilekese zerandi. Not isokile irandi. Ayigibishana. Lahla bala sokile hisa. Dahamba. Qonda khasoze mina. Bamngala umntana ngandikaka.
2 3
Ubana suzeleyo, unomsuswana. Ubana suzeleyo, unomsuswana. Susan Tony, iqablet swela. Susan Tony, iqablet swela.
Tsoga re fetile, tsoga. Yo.
Ufitha ngiphandle. Kyabiza manager la ngitshela umbombo kanini ukuthi uyabheka. Fihlelwana. Khululeka umsebenzi uhambe kahle. Uthole impela hayi kwamgogo plastic kanje. Kanti siphatha nini? Yithi abantu bamnyama uya in charge in this country.
Sike nacinga ezilalini. Xa uye town uthi hayi utheni wamhle uyapi ubuqonda udriphile ngalomini ulinaphazile ezilalini usuwenga kanye ngalo ngenyanga kuthiwe thana imali usiphathele izembe usiphathele potapota siphathele amazinki siphathele cement uba ngathi hayi ndiya kwi-date kuthiwa siphathele nalo date ungalibali itanki ni right ngene chiphayo pha ubuye town unikelwa i-community. Whoa.
Zenenye.
Noba ungena emajolweni pha. Ayazi basilinde yena. Utheni ngowatshiswa itoilet xa ibona amagosa? Izamlungu.
U10 is necessary. Xa irobots ibomvu.
Wemisi mzuzu. Musungifotha kopa wena.
Man khantwana ugamare. Hayi man. Kathini man okhona awukwazi ukuhlukanisa istrata nasendlini Marso. Hayi man inyongo lento yenzayo.
Inyongo is the big stomach. If a guy was slim, okanye be-gym and a six-pack, bengazothelwa the same thing.
Hayi. Wenzani manje? Hayi uzoboshwa wengane yami uzoboshwa. Leyi wena hamba isihlaba sikanyongo. Uzoboshwa wengane yami uzoboshwa siyeke isihlama lesi. Siyeke lesihlama mntana uzoboshwa. Esangaba
Hayi sisiza bengixolisa mani kubantu kube sendikwenzela iVN nje noba uhlambuza kuthi kuba ivoice kabani lena ngicela kwangoku ukuremain as anonymous but ndingumuntu okudwana apha endleleni sibulisane nje from a distance sisiza mani ndiphinde ngixoxa again kuba kuthiwa uboyfriend wakho okwangoku lo current wakho kwangoku ujolana naye erojiwe urojwe ndimsisi man kuba bendifuna inamba yakho ndiyaxoxa kakhulu sisi wam man yazi oko ndikubona apha esitratweni man ndiqomba lo sisi ndiyamthanda man cha andazi ngayenza njani ndimxelele lo nto understand kuba lo mntu unentloni man lo entloni sisi man ngoku ndiqomba okay hayi man icema ndithini man ndibambe inkunzi nje uboyfriend wakho uyabo, ndithatha inamba
That's too
yakho, but
extreme.
ke mamela umchazele uboyfriend wakhe ndishile phaa phantsi kwemat phaa kokwabo endlini, ndijikele phaa ibag ndayishiya le phone lena, so uzayifumana phaa ifowuni yakhe. Befuna nje inamba yakho sisi wam, mandicela undixolele torho. Anyway, njengolo bhuti lona mani une-SQL, unezinyo legolide, uthanda ukuncumela, nawe umncumele, sincumelane. Ndiyathemba ba
Hi my trash. Yazi akho nto ebuhlungu njengento yoba uthanda umuntu ongayazi ukuthi uyamthanda wena. Yazi amfana xoka wenda kubona apha kuFacebook, andikwazi nozibamba, ndiba-trace, but ke it's a way
Ndiba-trace. What is that?
uba ndibe-trace ndedwa, like ube ungayazi loo nto leyo uba wena ndi-interested apha kum, uyabo. Andifuna ngxoka siva bra, sive.
Yo, gents, where do you get the guts to do these voice notes? Yo.
Ndakufila true, ndakufila nyanyana.
Ngicala ukufika eGoli ngangitshethi mhlawumbe kunenqwaba yamathuba omsebenzi kula building ngendlela kwakugcwala ngakhona emnyango. Naku namhla ithiwa buy 2 get 1 free. Yini enziwa laphana kanti?
Subuza kuthi ambozibuzela apha phakathi.
Yini enziwa la?
Okanye sowusuka ngaphakathi, you know what's happening.
Kantini inkinga yakho? Yazi le charting bayakhompila ngabathi awuthime. Kantini inkinga yakho?
Umuntu nomuntu unenyawo zakhe.
Yeah?
Mara is true.
Sefunakala yena driver. Akazukwazi ukuhamba nalo ngama-7 bafene irabha leyo yokubaleka. Akazona. Kunjani la? Mna xesha lalonto ngapha koko solo thengela utywala
Ivinjiwe.
Sanibona inkabi zami. Hey. Lapha komhlabi yalingana lapha ngithi ngizothwala lapha bathe kufuneka isibumbu somlungu ngcono kuyekwe ngisathatha. Ngcono kuyekwe. Jamba khona.
Jamba fonini man. Hey, jamba we. Hey. Etha ga go tloela fana batho ba re shebile. Re tla le motheola stationeng kwa. Hey, uyahlika abanye uhlika. Hlika.
Denze ndoni? That's the question. That's a very supportive dad.
Atheni?
Wandichamisa.
Ncamisa ba?
Mna wave wandijola phansi wangehla ndangezantsi wengakhululanga nam ndandingakhululanga wave wandijina isifuba sakhe sibhekise kum esam sibhekise ngehla esam umqolo wami ebhekise ngezantsi owakhe ebhekise.
And if you
Which style is that one, Gengok?
can't spoil your man randomly, leave him alone. Leave him alone because you can't afford him. Men deserve flowers too. Angeke nje wena uhlale kuwo khamisile njalo. If you can't spoil him,
Yeah, well, a man must be spoiled too. But I don't think she means like literally flowers. Flowers? hayi ngithenga ama-flowers mase ngibhubhile.
If you can't spoil him, leave him alone. Bazomthola ba.
Black people are stupid
your man.
in majority. You know, I've never seen mina, you know, indoda endala base bakubize ngebhakabhaka. Uyindoda bakubize ngesandawana. Uyahlanya la ekhanda. Bakubize ngehlaphenye indoda bathi sandawana. Abantwana bakakhoza babizwa bhakabhaka. Na ukhoza ngeke uzuthi bhakabhaka. Uzokuthola ukuthi I'm a doctor. Ubizwe Khosi for life. Uzuba mdala usibize Khosi for life. Uyahlanya la ekhanda. Uyambuza umuntu wakhona, do you have a stake here? Interest? No.
Ike is an angry man.
Udagi. No, I'm not angry. Bham. Bega.
You know, but
Ikhona la ideng wena cabanga abantwana bakho bakubiza bhakabhaka. Ufake nengubo ePirates uyacula. And amount you are complaining ukuthi hey the coach but shut up. There's a coaching department. Fire the coach. Khona abanye bamatsheli cheese during COVID. Bathi maxoshi coach. And uBobby mfethu wangichaza uBobby wavela ku press interview. What I was not voted here. This is not
I don't know Bafethu, but sport is part of entertainment, you know. So if it's part of entertainment, people will be entertained and people will use sport to entertain themselves. So I don't know noba uthini wena ngeziviews ka-Ike. Let me know in the comment section when uthini ngeziviews ka-Ike.
FP, I didn't submit business. It didn't submit a CV. And he was right. Yeah. But no arrogant. He was right. He was telling them the truth. Ukuthi, you know, this is a family business. No cause awaqosha abanye ngale.
Uma ulet lo qala lo mthandazo ayingigrand ngayo ngoba kankintshi uyasonda. So umuntu ongangintshi esayidini lami ngibona angekho grand.
Hayibo.
Uyaphuza yini?
No, angiphuzi. Ngiyasonda.
Yasonda.
Yeah.
Number 2. Anyambona ukhanya kakhulu ama-fruitman angathi agijime kakhulu. So uyakhanya yena for yena mara into zami ngathi angeke zikhanye. Yabo? Ngihleli nomlungu nje namhlanje umlungu phela. Mina ngajwayela ukudla ngokhezo. Ayilo westresh bafowethu hayi. Uyambona nawe ngathi Jimbosi ayilo ngiyamusha ngathi ngizoyisutha induku da. Kodwa awunalo ulaka nje ngibona ngathi unolaka ebusweni.
Ulaka nginalo sithando sami mara but makenze into ezi-right ngiyathanda.
Hayi. Ndiyambona nje nawe ukuthi nawe angakubhudufeyisa nje mawuza ngezinye inombolo ezingabhekanga kahle yabo. So angifuni umuntu ozongibhudufeyisa mangabe mhlambe sengubuhlabile. Ngifuna umuntu ozonginqanda grand angibeke embhedeni ayithola riding.
Yeah, le time ngutsotsi, you can hear the way athetha ngakhona bangayi time yasekasi le. That was today's video Bafethu. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Sure.